What you doing? Audrey? What are you? Hi, sweetie. What are you doing?
Not me. Not me.
Where's Audrey?
Not me.
Hi.
Not me. Look, Mom. Mom. Mom.
Wait.
Do it.
What are you guys doing? Audrey. Audrey, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.